Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the installation and basics of Inkscape 1.0. So let's get started, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon now. Go to Google and search for Inkscape.org. Go to the first showing result. Then you can see many options here. We want to download the application, so click download now. Now you can see 4 options for Linux-based operating system, for Windows, for Mac OS and Source Archive. If you are a Windows user, click and download directly through this link. I have downloaded already, so I will go to my File Explorer. Here it is, Inkscape. Double-clicking to open. Well, the installation is quite simple and friendly. Click Next here. Click I agree. You can read if you want. I will take Create Desktop icon and click Next. Select where you want to install the application and click Next. Click Next here also. Click Install and it will start installing the application. Click Finish here. I will run it as I want to show you some basics of the application. It is the primary interface of the application Inkscape. You can see menu bar, basic commands, tool controls. You can see the rulers. In the sidebar there are many options like align and distribute, export PNG image, fill and stroke for filling colors in any object in the layers. It is the toolbar which will be used mainly for everything we will be creating. Select tool, edit path by nodes, create rectangle and square like this, creating ellipse and circles, drawing polygon using this tool and stars. You can create 3D objects also. You can write and draw freehand by this freehand pen tool. You can write text also by this tool. Just use and you will also be familiar with these tools. I will clear all these for now. You all wanted to know how to get the black theme in Inkscape. Now you can get it by going Edit, then Preferences, then Interface Themes. Tick the Use Dark Theme options. Boom! The theme changed to black. You can change the icon also. I personally like using the symbolic icon. It looks great. You wanted me to show you the basics of the 2 tools I have used extensively in my previous 2 videos of vector portraits. You can check it out on the I button. I will create a simple triangle with the Draw Bezier Curves and Straight Line tool. Then I will curves the straight lines using the Edit Path by Nodes tool. Use this at your own and you will also be familiar with the tools. Now time to save your work. If you want to save the editable work environment file, click Save or Save As. It will be saved as SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. You can save it as PNG file to see it in any device. Remember, it will be saved with transparent background. You can see 4 options here. You can export the page, you can export the drawing, you can export the selection. I will select the drawing and click Export As. Select the folder to save the file. I will name it as Inkscape 1 and click Save. Remember, it will not be saved after this. I will click Export option below to export image. See, here it is. That's all for today. If you want a detailed video of the tools and commands, let me know below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe now and press the bell icon.